Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to discuss how to do matrix multiplication. In my previous video I discussed about matrix summation and matrix differentiation. That means how to calculate the summation of two matrices and how to find out the differentiation. That means find out the difference of two matrices. Okay, but those two words are too easy, but this is little bit hard. That means matrix multiplication is little bit hard, but actually not hard. If you remind only one thing, then this is too easy. So let me open my code block. You can see here, this is the procedure. You have to remind only one thing and I will be going to discuss on it. So at first, what we have to do, we have to take three matrices. That means here I have taken three matrices: A of 3 3, B of 3 3, and C of 3 3. That means one condition is appropriate here. Only one condition. If you don't maintain this condition, then matrix multiplication is impossible. That means you have to follow one rule, that the size of each matrix must be same here. Okay, we are going to find out the multiplication of two matrices. So that what we have taken, the two matrix, the number of rows and number of columns must be same. Okay, here you can see here there is 3 row and 3 columns in the first matrix, then there is also in the second matrix is also 3 rows and 3 columns, and the resultant matrix will be same also, 3 rows and 3 columns. So then at first we have to take the array matrix elements from user. So this is the procedure to take matrix elements from the user. So this is for the first matrix and this is for the second matrix, and you all know how to do it. In my previous video I have discussed about it. So and then what we have to do, we have to print those matrix. This is the first matrix and this is the second matrix, and you all know how to do print of two matrix of a matrix. Okay, so at first you have to take the array elements from the user, matrix elements from the user, then you have to print those two matrix. Up to this there is no doubt. Then the main thing, then the procedure that we have to maintain for matrix multiplication. Okay, and there is one extra thing, for matrix summation and differentiation. Only we have to take two loop, one outer loop and one inner loop, and then we we have to add the array matrix elements, and we will restore the result in the third matrix. Okay, that means in the resultant matrix we will restore the result, that means the sum or the differentiation. But here we have to take three loop, so we have to take one extra variable, that is k, and you can see here I have taken k at first, k. Okay, and here I have also taken one extra variable, that is sum equal to 0, so sum, and this will be initialized with 0. So then I will be start from 0 and less than 3, I plus plus. Then in this, within this for loop there will be another loop, that is for j equal to 0, j less than 3, and j plus plus. Here again you have to use another loop, that is this for loop, for k equal to 0, k less than 3, k plus plus. And within this for loop you have to take this statement, that is sum equal to sum plus a of ik multiplied with b of kj. Then c of ij will restore the sum value, total sum value after completion. That means after the when the iteration will be completed, then the final result will be restored in c of ij. Then sum, again the sum value will be 0, will be initialized with 0. Okay, so this is the process you have to follow. So how this is working, I am going to show you. Okay, so have a look here. So this is our first matrix, this is our second matrix, and this is our resultant matrix. So here the matrix element is 1 1 1. So you can see here for each each matrix cell contain 1. Okay, so the 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this is the size of the matrix is 3 by 3, and here also 3 by 3, and the array element matrix elements are same. So and this is our resultant matrix. So after how to multiply these two matrix, you all know uh, in mathematical rule, how to do matrix multiplication, you all know. That means we have to multiply it, these array this matrix rows with these columns. Okay, with the second, with the column of the second matrix, and then this row will be multiplied with this row, these columns, and this row will be multiplied with this column. Sorry, this row will be multiplied with this column, then the result will be restored here, and this row will be multiplied with this column, and the result will be restored here, and then this column, my rows will be multiplied with this column, and the result will be stored here. And in the same process, the second row and third row will be followed up. So you can see here, when I equal to 0, j equal to 0, k equal to 0, then k equal to 0, I equal to 0, at first I equal to 0, then k equal to 0, then I equal to 0, j equal to 0, then k will be 0. So at first I, j, k, all the three are 0. So sum equal to 0 plus, at first sum will be sum is initialized with 0. So sum equal to 0 plus a of 0 0 multiplied with b of 0 0. So that means this is, and this will be multiplied with this a of 0 0 multiplied with b of 0 0. That means 1 into 1, the result will be 1. So the sum will be 0 plus 1. Okay, then k value will be 1. So now I is 0, j is 0, but k is 1. Okay, then sum will be sum equal to 1 plus, previously sum is 1, so 1 plus a of I, that means 0, but k is 1. So now what we are going to do, a of 0 1 and multiplied with b of 1 0, I j is 0, only k is 1. Okay, so a of 0 1 multiplied with b of 1 0, a of 0 1, that means this element will be multiplied with b of 1 0. Okay, this will be multiplied with this, and and finally the result will be added with this. So what we are going to do, this will be multiplied, so let me write here. So 1 and 1, that is 1, then this one and this one will be multiplied, and this will be added with the result, so plus 1, then I is 0, j is 0, but k will be 2, that is less than 3. So when k will be 3, this will be the out of the loop, and the sum will be restored here. So now check for k equal to 2, I equal to 0, j equal to 0, but only k equal to 2. Now this will be added, so let me put here plus operator. This is the total sum na previous, so total sum will be added, this plus. So now what we have to do, we have to multiply it, a of 0 2 with b of 2 0, a of 0 2 multiplied with b of 2 0. Okay, so 1 into 1, that means 1 equal to 3, and these 3 will be restore, and then you can see here, then k, when k will be 3, this will be out of the loop. Okay, then j will be, then we have to do the task of this for loop. Then k will be increment by 1. Okay, so when k will be 3, this will be the out of the loop. So our for the I equal to 0, j equal to 0, our task is complete for the k loop. Okay, so the result sum equal to here 3, and this 3 will be restored with c of ij. C I equal to 0, j equal to 0, so this will restore here, and finally sum will be again 0. Okay, now our sum is again 0. So then I is 0, but now j is 1, k is 0. Okay, for j equal to 1, k is 0 again. So k is, that means 0 0, a of 0 0 will be multiplied with b of k. K is now 0 and j is now 1, 0 1. This will be multiplied with this. Then if you follow this rule, then this will be multiplied with this, and this will be multiplied with this, and the total result will be summed out. Okay, then the total result will be, that means 1 into 1 1, then 1 into 1 1, then 1 into 1 1, and the summation will be 3, and this 3 will restore where c of I0, c of ij. I equal to 0, j equal to 1, now j equal to 1 na? So c of 0 1, c of 0 1, that means here the result will restore, that means 3. So if we follow this rule, then you can find the resultant matrix. Okay, so only you have to keep that mind, that sum equal to sum plus a of ik multiplied with b of kj, then c of ij will be sum, and finally sum will be again 0. Then what we are going to do, we are going to print this third matrix, that is c of c matrix. Okay, so I think now this thing is clear, how to do matrix multiplication. And here I am going to use the do while loop. You can see here I have used here do while loop, this do while loop. Okay, and inside this do while loop, I have written all the code part, that means the solution part. Okay, so here is the same thing. Do you want to continue? Then press capital C or small c, then the same thing will be happen in the same output screen. Okay, if you press any keys other than capital C or small c, then you will be locked out from the output screen. Okay, again you have to run the execute and run the programming, then you can check. So let me run the programming. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, so enter the element of the first matrix. Okay, so a of 0 0 1, I am going to take all the matrix element 1. Okay, this will be easy to understand. You can see, if I take all the matrix element of the first matrix and the second matrix, then the resultant matrix, the element of the resultant matrix will be 3. Okay, so this is the first matrix, and I also see here I have printed the first matrix na. The element of the first matrix are, so I have printed here the element of the first matrix, and then the second matrix, then the third matrix, that means the resultant matrix. Okay, so see the element of the first matrix are 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1. Then the element of the second matrix is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Then The resultant matrix is 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3. Okay, so I am going to paste and any key other than capital C or small c, then I will be logged out from the output screen. Okay, so this is the method you have to follow. Only you have to keep in mind this rule, that means this statement, sum equal to sum plus a of I k, that means what it was, that means only this line. Okay, a of I k multiplied with b of kj, sum equal to sum plus a of I k multiplied with b of kj. Only you have to keep in it in your mind, then you can solve it easily. So if you guys like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new in my channel, and share this video with your friends and familiar person. Okay, so that's all for this class, and see you in my next video. Till then, take care and what take care and bye bye.